SwitchBot is what I would call a very non-traditional smart home product, with the Hub Plus being able to control almost any IR-based device in your home, and the SwitchBot itself being able to push almost any button or switch in your home as well. Coming up, our 5-minute review of SwitchBot. Hello automators, thanks for tuning in again. This 5-minute review is intended to help you save time by giving you all the information that you will need to go out and make a purchasing decision. What is it? Well, SwitchBot is a system. It's not just a device, because it's not just one thing that it can control. It can control a lot of different items in your home. That IR capability allows you to connect to all kinds of different devices, and the physical push button allows you to physically sit this on almost any button in your home and have it be actuated by this little device. Now, what does it do? Let's get into some of the details there. SwitchBot's hub is IR based, which we've already said, but that allows you the ability to control a number of different appliances that have an IR remote. You can control everything from TVs to set-top boxes, DVD players, fireplaces, air conditioners, speakers with IR based remotes, really anything, because it also has a custom setup feature that allows you to set it up with any sort of IR-based remote. Now, the buttons are capable of pushing any any switch or button in your home. Really, I have yet to run into a situation where it can't press that. And these two systems actually connect through low power Bluetooth, or BLE. So this means that this is a very low power connection, but it is also very stable. What this also means is you can just buy the little SwitchBots here and it will connect through your phone and the application, or a tablet and the application. So what do we like? And there's a lot to like here. Now, the physical device here itself, the IR hub, is actually a very interesting, good design. I like it. It's fun and unique. The applications are almost endless, and with this IR-based setup here, this has a real Harmony Hub feel to it. The SwitchBots themselves are almost capable of controlling any switch. I've moved it from very difficult to press buttons or switches to very easy to press, and each time the device seems to know when it's pushing against a button and when it's actuated that button. So it is very versatile. The setup process in general was very good, but the setup process for these SwitchBots was incredible. It is literally pull that tab out of the bottom of this device and it will activate, and it will pair with your hub. It will also pair with a phone with the application open. So this is incredibly easy to set up, and honestly the first setup process I've ever seen like that. It's also not all Wi-Fi based with that Bluetooth low energy capability here of pairing. So it is not all based on Wi-Fi, and it's not a heavy user of your Wi-Fi system. The $137 price for a hub and two of these little SwitchBots is reasonable, and I think what it's saving you is very impactful on a lot of people's lives, because you're not going to go out and spend upgrading technology to smart home technology as a result of having these in your home. The other thing is we have a 15% off coupon down below in the description. So what don't I like about this device? Well, I've struggled a few times with a couple of IR-based remotes to get them set up with this device. In general, this works very well, but there's just been a couple of instances that I haven't been able to get devices set up, even with the custom IR setup process. The magnet and sticker combination that they give you to actually mount this on a wall is extremely sticky, and I know they want you to make sure that it won't move on the wall, but honestly, you have to be incredibly sure when you stick this on a wall with that sticker and magnet. Someday, obviously, I will have to replace the batteries in this device. Not that that's difficult or anything, and not that that's a big problem, because honestly, the convenience of having those is well worth this issue. So the big question is it Automate Your Life approved? And the short answer is yes. The long answer is, if you're someone who really wants to upgrade your home, but you don't want to go out and spend a ton on all the different technology pieces you have there, anything IR based or button based, well, this is a pretty good option for you to go and get smart home capability. Now, of course, you're going to need more content, more information about getting these set up, how to use them, great applications for these, and we have those on a playlist that you're seeing right now. So thanks for watching, everyone. Go ahead and watch those, and we'll see you next time.